Where the home is concerned, having the best plumbing works is best to help keep the home safe. Selecting a plumber can be very stressful, especially if you do not know where to start. Not just anyone qualifies to be a plumber, although they might claim they are. Also, there are expert plumbers who do not know anything about how to treat or even talk to customers to ensure a good relationship. There are so many factors that should affect your choice of a plumber where your home is concerned. Selecting a plumber is a process which has to be gone through with utmost care and patience. First of all, you can start by asking friends, colleagues, or even neighbors. This helps to give you the assurance of their credibility. Although most people do not feel this is an appropriate method, it is advisable to use a plumber who is recommended and has a good review from your friends, family, or even neighbors. Being a homeowner is great for the most part, but can come with some problems. For many homeowners, those headaches will appear in the form of plumbing problems, an event that even the most ardent of DIY home repair buffs may have to deal with once in a while. Call now 250-575-8138.